first time ever singing for people in New York. I just moved here a month ago. So be nice to me, I'm new. That's what I'm gonna say. I write songs, and so I'm just gonna play you some songs that I wrote in my room on this swing. This first song is about moving to New York. You don't have time to grow, living in this rodeo and dusting up your face in the Arizona dirt. Pack your bags, let it go. Grab the final fist of blow and stuff it in your face, 'cause you know it's gonna hurt. This house costs your home. Are you better now that the feelings are gone? Do you have shit to lose? Barely in your 20s, yes, still waking up with pipes and an empty pair of shoes. I don't recognize. Tell me it's the prophecy that did this and not the fact that every good dream dies. Tell me, what do you want? Or what do you need? Is it something you have? Is it something you breathe? Or what about money, 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 money? What about weed? You're talking about rivers, honey, but I want the sea. What do you want? Oh, what do you need? Something you have, something you breathe. Or what about money, 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 money? What about we? Talking about rivers, honey, I want the sea. Darling, I want the sea. Thank you. It's a very simple 2-chord song, but I like it. Yeah, there was a turnaround. Yeah, there was a little turnaround. All right, this next song is called Bottles. And I forget what it's about. Something cryptic and introspective, I think. I'm seeing floating bottles right now. Lose suspension somehow. It's taking all my focus to count. Backbiking past peculiar streets. Jobs I had for 2 weeks. It's taking all my focus to remember you. I won't confide it anymore. I'm off the coast of giving up. It's been too long. I need your love, but the more I semi-trucks headed towards the front seat. I can't hide it anymore. I'm off the coast of giving up. It's been too long, I've seen enough. But the more I'm gone, babe, the more you go. The more you go, the more you go. You I'm back in bottled water right now. Nature feels inside out. Do you regret this place that we're in? Thank you guys. All right, I think I'm gonna play a cover for this one. This song is called Fast Car by Tracy Chapman. And it was between this and another song. I'm not gonna tell you what the other song was because I'm going with this one now. You got a fast car. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Well, any place is better. Started from zero, got nothing to lose. And maybe we'll make something. Me and myself got nothing to prove. You got a fast car, and I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. I won't have to drive too far. Just across the border and into the city. And you and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. Driving in your car, speed so fast, felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belong. Yes, I had a feeling I could be someone. Oh, I had a feeling that I belong. Yes, I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone. Well, one man's got a problem. He lives by the bottle, that's the way it is. He said his body's too old for working. Say your body's too young to look like his. And mama went out and left him. Wanted more than he could give. It said somebody's gotta take care of him. So I quit school and that's what I did. Driving in your car, speed so fast, felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belong. Yes, I had a feeling I could be someone. Yes, I had a feeling that I belong. Yes, I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone. Oh, be someone, be someone. Thank you. All right. I've got just a couple more songs for you tonight. I think 2. I really do feel like if it wasn't for the crowd of people in front of me, like this is how I'd sit in my room and play songs. It's an interesting sensation. But I'm glad you guys are here for it. This song is called The Basement Song, and it's about a breakup. I saw you alone in a crowded basement, tracing a paper with your tongue. I think I tried to replace it, but you were smoking about someone. I hand you a lighter scene, tell me all about her, and you cry like you didn't want to fight her. Say you're never gonna see another person the same, and I hear you. What's your name? I'm on the train, I can't hear you, babe. Did I leave my wallet in your hands again? You have it all, my heart, my time, my pain. I'm lucky just to be your second chance. And then you come home later saying, where'd you put the lighter? And I'm dumb, I think the room caught fire. Say you're never gonna trust me with a piece of your life, and I hear you. I guess you're right. Guess you're right. I was alone in a crowded basement when she wandered over with a drink. And when she smiled, suddenly your face meant nothing. But I don't wanna turn her into me. It's a change worth making and a chain worth breaking. If ways of loving stay the same, I don't want a single part of me to be like you. When I move on, though it's hard to do, this old basement, it makes me think like you. And I don't want to use somebody else to get me through. To get me through. Thank you so much. I have one last song for you tonight, and this one is last because it's in a different tuning. We're gonna call that a good solid drop D. All right, this song is one of my favorite songs. I think it might be my favorite song that I wrote. And it's also about a breakup. I started it before I broke up, and then I finished it after. And it's like two different sides of the whole emotion. It's called Craving a Stranger. Left my guitar at your house. Got it back and it smelled like you. Cigarettes and lager. Maybe it was your father who was in the room. He taught you to sleep off the pills before you drive to a show where I'll wait and watch you get fucking plastered and then leave alone. Craving a stranger. With different lips, teeth, and eyes. Who doesn't force me to drink or change the station of every conversation and cares what I think. I know how much you wanna pull away, but you don't know the half of it. I feel it every day. I feel it every day. I'm in pain. What's your I'm with you, but I'm craving a stranger. Stranger, stranger. You're what's wrong with the world. It's a lot, I know, but he deserved it. You're what's wrong with yourself, not the alcohol or the Adderall or the moments you thought about ending it all. Not your parents, not your money, not your lungs. It's all just who you are. All around, I feel it all around. I'm insane. What's your name? Can you change it? I'm with you, but I'm craving. I'm with you, but I'm craving a stranger. Thank you guys so much for listening, and I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you someday soon.